In this video, I'll show you how to add custom product badges to Shopify using AI without installing another app. For example, you can add badges like new, bestseller, limited, or exclusive to your products. The badge is controlled by a simple product tag. So if I add the tag badge_new to a product, the new badge appears automatically. If I add badge_exclusive, the exclusive badge appears. And because we are using AI to generate the code, you do not need to write everything yourself. I am using the Shopify refresh theme for this video. I want to create 4 badges to use with different products in the store. The badges are new, bestseller, limited, and exclusive. First, we will use AI to generate the Shopify code. You can use Claude or ChatGPT for this. I already have the prompt. Here, I have explained what I need. I am using the refresh theme. For your use case, you need to change the name of the theme so it works perfectly. Then I ask to use the tags for the badges. These are the tags, and these are our badges. Whenever I add one of these tags to a product, the matching badge will show on the product card. I want to keep the process simplified. Then I asked for only one badge per product. I want to place the badge in the top right corner, and I have asked it to give me the complete code plus simple instruction on where to add it in Shopify. Now I'll copy this prompt and paste it in ChatGPT. You can also use Claude or any other AI tool, and it works with the free version as well. It will take a moment to generate the code and instruction. I'll first forward the video here. ChatGPT generated the code with proper instructions. First, we need to create a new snippet. I'll copy the name. This is the name of the snippet. Then I'll go to the Shopify admin, and here I'll click these 3 dots and select edit code. Now I'll right click on the snippets folder and select new file. Here I'll paste the name, and at the end I need to add .liquid. Now I'll hit the enter button. Now I'll go to ChatGPT again and copy the liquid code. This is the complete code, you see. I'll copy it and I'll paste it here. I'll save this file. Now here on ChatGPT, after this it says create the CSS file. So it says custom product badges.css. So I'll copy the name here, and we need to create it under assets. So here I'll go to assets, I'll right click new file, and I'll name it custom product badges.css. I'll hit enter. Now I'll go to the ChatGPT window and copy the CSS code. I'll copy it and I'll paste it here. I'll save this file. Next, connect the CSS to the product card. Now we need to open this card-product.liquid file. It is inside snippets. I'll go to the admin again, and under snippets I see this card-product.liquid. Here it says at the top you see something like this. So I can see here something similar, and it says add this line inside that block. So I'll copy that and I'll paste it after style sheet tag. I'll copy this liquid and I'll paste this here after this line. I'll hit the enter button and I'll paste the line of code. So here you see it says before the end unless. Before the end unless we need to paste the line custom product badge.css. So I pasted it here. Now I'll save this file. Now step 4, connect the badge snippet. So under card.liquid file we need to find this section. I'll copy this, I'll go to Shopify. Here I'll press Ctrl F and I'll paste the code. After this line, after this angle bracket, I need to paste a line of code. This is the liquid code. Here I'll press enter and paste the code. Now I'll save this file. You see I am following all the instructions here. So we added the code here and it looks similar to this. Here you see. Add a badge tag to a product. I'll save this first. We are done with the custom code. We created this custom product badge file. Then we created this custom product badge.css and we modified this card product.liquid file. Now let's see it in action. Now I'll go to Shopify admin, I'll go to products. So I'll open this product, and here we need to add a tag. So under tag section, I'll click the plus icon and I'll add our new tag. So I'll type badge_new. Since we are adding this tag for the first time, I need to add it here, add badge_new, and I'll click save. You can use any of the tags here. We have 4 tags for these 4 badges. I added badge_new, so it will display this new badge. If you want to display limited, then you need to add this tag badge_limited. You can modify the prompt to create your own badges and tags. The product is already saved. Now I'll go to Shopify. Now I'll go to the products section. Here I'll refresh the page again, and I'll scroll down to find that product, and here I see it. We added badge_new tag to this product, and we see the new badge here. Let me quickly add a few more badges to other products. Now you can see how the product cards look with different badges. It is bestseller, it is exclusive, it is limited, and we have added new here. You can see that custom badge does not cover Shopify's default sell badge, because I asked AI to place it at the top right corner. So now you know how to modify the prompt and create your own custom product badges. Also, if you want to specify badge colors, you can just add which color you want for each tag to the prompt. I have included the AI prompt so you can follow the same process for your Shopify store. The clearer the prompt is, the better the output will be. Leave your feedback or questions in the comments below. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.